Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to save YouTube video in gallery. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to save your YouTube videos in your gallery here, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here and we need to know. Now, typically, in order for you to download a YouTube video here, if you want to watch it for later, well, there are a few steps you need to do. So let's go open up YouTube here. Now, by the way, update YouTube if it's been a while that you've used it. Now, if it's already updated, you want to go open up YouTube here, access the video that you want to maybe like watch for later, and at the bottom right, you should be able to see a three-dotted icon that looks like this one. So next to the share button, and once you do click on the three-dotted icon here, you want to go and click on the option that says download. Now, typically with download, you'll have the option for downloading the quality in 360p or 144p here. But if you have premium, you have 720 or 1080p. But yeah, let's go and just choose medium here and click on download. Now it's going to start the download process, and once it's actually downloaded, you can go ahead and go back to the main screen here. Go to the U tab at the bottom right here. Scroll down a bit here. Go to downloads, and you should be able to see the video that you just downloaded. Now you should be able to basically watch it for later, even though like you don't have internet connectivity. Now the thing with this one is, if you download something or a YouTube video from like other users or channels in YouTube, you will be able to only watch it inside the app. But what if about like downloading YouTube videos directly into your gallery? Well, the thing with this one, that is only available if your video or the video that you're downloading is the one that you've uploaded yourself or in your channel. Now, if you want to download your own video here, typically you just need to go to your video section, and you want to go ahead and go to videos. Go and click on the three-dotted icon next to that video that you want to download, and just choose the option here that says save to device. Now it's going to save that video into your device, and you should be able to feed that into your gallery. But that's about it. Now currently, this is the only way for you to save videos to watch later, and that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.